Hi there. I'm showing you today this fascinating animal book for kids, 500 Wild Facts. And it's one of those books that feels like an instant yes, please for curious kids because it's not just animal information. It's the kind of weird, wonderful trivia that makes them want to keep turning the pages. It's made for kids about 9 to 12, but honestly, Eli is 5 and he's so fascinated with this book. We spent almost an hour going through this book. He did it on his own. Then he and I sat and read through it. It's a great book for families because it becomes a conversation book. You know how kids love to come in and say, listen to this. This is that kind of book. It's perfect for the child who's into animals, nature, science, and even just loves collecting fun facts and surprising everyone at the table. What I like is the variety. It goes from frogs to foxes, scorpions to sharks, and it breaks things up into categories like magnificent mammals, amazing amphibians, creepy crawlies, feathered friends, and more. So it never feels repetitive. And the visuals really matter here. It has full color pictures on every page. And the bright photos they're gorgeous. They're vibrant, full of color, with big animal images that make it feel exciting and easy to read. For kids who don't want a wall of text, this is a big deal because it's approachable. Another angle I love is this is a sneaky good book for kids who are building their confidence with reading. Since it's fact-based, they can read one page, get a win, and stop, or keep going. It's not like a chapter book where they have to remember a whole storyline. It's quick, it's satisfying, and it still counts as real reading time. It's also a really solid gift. Great for birthdays, holidays, grandkids, nieces, nephews, because it feels substantial. 500 facts is a lot of content. And I honestly can say I think this is a great value for the money. I'm really excited about this book, and there's others like it. And it's the kind of book that works in real life. Bedtime reading, quiet time, road trip bag, waiting rooms, even homeschool or after school unwind time. Kids can flip to any page and instantly find something interesting. Home sweet home tip and a grandma tip here. Keep a fun fact book like this in a spot your kids naturally land by the couch, by the bed, or in a little quiet time basket. The easier it is to grab, the more it gets used. You know me, consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.